Okay guys, so we're almost there. We just wanted to give you a disclaimer here. The kids have not been feeling well. They've been a little bit sick. So if you hear a little bit of coughing, then we
hear some lungs coming out.
We already know.
Then they stop videoing. Water.
You see some water?
But we're always down for an adventure, right guys? Are you ready for an adventure, Evan?
Oh, we also forgot to say we're actually joining another vehicle today for the first time in forever. So we'll see how that goes.
Yeah, we have a friend coming today, a friend of mine from elementary school actually, and hoping that they don't get stuck. But if they do, we have plenty of recovery
we're hoping
gear.
we don't get stuck.
But we have stuff that can undo us. Remember those things?
Yeah, we have recovery gear, right, Eli?
That can lift us up and we can drive.
Yeah.
Every adventure starts with a plan, right, Eli? Yeah, gotta have a plan.
All right, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, so they should be like right here at this church. Yep, there they are. All right, let's go.
All right, so we met up with our friends, and they're gonna follow us, and we're gonna kind of lead them through.
Oh, dog! Whoa!
There used to be a house.
I've got video of that. That's like pointing. That dog was running perfectly right where the camera is.
Really?
Yeah.
Trying to attack the car or something? Oh, it's still going. It's still going. All right, this dog. Here, just. It is spazzing out. What the heck?
I love that my camera on the back.
I think it
wheel
can.
caught that.
I think it can see the. Honey, we might have to wait because it's still running away, and those the people who own it are like probably trying to chase it.
I almost didn't make it.
I know, right?
I can't wait to see
I
that.
don't know what those dogs are doing, or what dogs like that are doing that for. I was like, so
I
silly.
can't wait to see that dog.
Yeah, you want to see that footage, right, Eli?
Yeah, I didn't see that dog coming.
So last time we came here, this part right here was underwater. Right now,
Really?
this was underwater. Yeah.
I forgot.
Last time, well, you weren't here.
Oh, I wasn't here, huh?
No.
Oh, you came with the kids or something? Evan, you gotta stay buckled, bud.
Yep. Keep your buckle on.
But something's
Please do not litter. This is not your trash can. Yep,
You
that's
see the
right.
river?
Yep. It's looking good. Alright, I wonder what they're gonna think of this.
Yeah, their 4Runner's a little bit newer and nicer than our Pilot. So their first question was, how many scratches do you think we'll get going through this?
They were wondering if it was narrow.
Oh, there's a
Not.
puddle up there.
Yep, there's a puddle, huh?
Alright,
Are we going
got our first little technical spot here.
I hope the GoPro doesn't get wet, because that would be real bad.
I'm gonna break this branch for them. They'll appreciate that.
Oh yeah. On the scratch, they're nice. Nice car. We just have old cars, so we don't even care. We're like, scratches,
Scratches add character.
Yeah. Whoa, shnikey!
Oh, do you know what I forgot to do again?
What?
Turn off traction control. I always forget.
That was kind of deep though. We'll have to see how
Do they have 4-wheel drive on you?
I don't know. Uh-oh. She's stuck. They're stuck. Are they stuck for real?
Well, without 4-wheel drive, they might be stuck.
Oh no. There they go. Woo!
Hey, now they know this trail isn't a joke. You want to break that branch for them?
Yeah, well.
the windows down so it doesn't stink anymore?
Does that mud stink?
Yeah.
Wow, the water is pretty high. Look over there.
Oh wow. I wonder how that one water crossing for me. I'm gonna pull this branch down too.
Don't worry about it. I think they can make it. Yeah, I wonder how this next area is gonna look.
Okay, I'm putting my windows up for this. Evan, put your window up.
Daddy,
I'll get it for you.
Okay, I'm putting this up.
These mud holes are feeling more serious than ever before. I don't know why.
It's the...
I love the big one.
Are you gonna go through this one?
Oh my god, that's
I'm gonna get out and video them coming through that.
All right, here comes the moment of truth.
yeah.
If those other ones felt so deep, I wonder what this one feels like.
Yeah, I don't know.
Right?
I don't know. Oh my god. Okay, let me
We should be filming ourselves going through this stuff.
make sure that the cameras are still in there because that one's pretty deep.
Got it tied to the car.
I know, but I'm just saying. Yeah, I don't know. How high do you think the crossing over here is going to be?
I don't know. I mean, we've already got, this is higher than before, right?
Oh, buddy. And it's moving water here, okay? So the last time we came, we were worried because there was like a river flowing across the road over here. And, yeah, we'll have to see. We might have to get out and look at it a little bit before we do it. Yeah.
All right, you boys stay here, okay?
What? Is that a tree across our path too?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think?
Yeah. I don't think we're doing this.
I don't know, y'all don't want to do this?
I don't want to swim.
But what we can do,
Could be cool for the channel.
what we can do is go back. We'll set up for some external shots. I'll take pictures of you guys going through the mud hole and stuff, and then we can just eat our picnic at the boat ramp.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Does that sound like a plan?
Yeah.
Car's got a belt squealing.
Yeah.
Too much water, yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
so
Yeah,
that's moving water. It was probably like
Yeah,
4 or 5 feet deep or something.
I think
at some
5 feet's a
spots.
little bit of an exaggeration,
Well, it
but
was like, I mean, even Andrew was like, it's like 4 feet deep right there.
it was probably about 4 feet deep on the
Yeah.
right side.
So, and there's a tree. If you look right there, there's like a tree across.
Yeah, but I've got an axe and saws and
right
machetes.
there. So
So what we're gonna
we would have had to cut that before we left.
we're gonna set up for this next bit, and we're gonna take some better pictures and stuff going through the mud holes we've already gone through, and hopefully get some perspective.
Dad, I like the big mud holes best.
Yeah, our friends were impressed though. They didn't think the water was gonna be quite as deep as what we've found so far.
How's that?
It's good.
You like doing that?
It's more fun in two-wheel drive.
You think so? It's always more fun when you don't know if you'll get out or not. What happened?
It's too stinky.
It's too stinky.
Yeah.
The stinky mud?
Yeah, fluff mud.
Fluff mud.
It's fluff mud.
I don't know if it's fluff mud, but
Look at fluff mud poop. Yeah.
Yeah, it is part of a bumper.
haha. So we're just like, I don't need this anymore.
So we got something grinding. Sounds like from our brakes.
Oh no,
What?
that didn't feel good.
Yeah, it did. It felt like our car did awesome.
No, I felt like we were about to get stuck.
Oh, I see it up ahead there with our last splash puddle.
We all made it.
Yeah,
Good.
it is good.
People didn't make it.
Yeah, they did. Everyone made it.
Except the people that are friends. And then, this one is doing movie.
I'm videoing you. Whoa.
Give it just a little bit more. You are like
What is she doing? She's like, I want this dang stick. What the heck?
She had the mentality of the Black Knight in the Holy Grail movie.
Yeah.
Just flesh wound. I've got it. Are you happy because you're eating your food, Isaac? Yeah. This is their favorite part, isn't it? I'm gonna have to get some video of you swinging on that vine again, okay, Eli?
I got a little bit.
Oh, you did?
Isaac did a really good job too. I wanted to get a picture or a video of Isaac.
Mm-hmm. So going through that last mud hole, we had a kind of grinding, screeching noise happening, and we, during our picnic time, we took the wheel off to try to see what was happening, and we found out there was a bunch of sand in there, but we also found out that one of our wheel bearings is starting to go and that it's loose. So sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some, but we'll fix it and have another adventure next time. So anyways.
Okay, Aaron, that's not